Hello, I'm Tim Klink with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center, which is also the home of the Invincible roof. That is a polyurea roof system that we proprietarized about 24 years ago to basically solve the issues of RV condensation, sweating, things of that nature. So here we got a 2015 Redwood fifth wheel, which is a really nice fifth wheel, but it came with a TPO roof on it. And that TPO roof actually lays on top of the decking. There's a little bit of space to it, and it suffers sweating and condensation through colder times, warmer times of people actually living within the RV. So what ends up happening is the decking ends up rotting out from underneath the membrane. Also, the TPO and or rubber has a certain life expectancy and a maintenance that you have to go through on a yearly basis, which is very expensive to a consumer who has to maintain the roof. Let alone they have a problem, they get a leak, and it damages the inside. So the ultimate solution is the Invincible roof by MasterTech out of Elkhart, Indiana. So does your roof look like this, or does your roof look like that? And you'll see the difference. So if you want to prolong and improve the value of your coach and make it a better coach, get an Invincible roof. We have a 3,500 PSI tensile strength. It is the America's Invincible roof. It is the best roof on the industry. And we actually have a proprietary ceramic top coat that we put on top of the polyurea. And what that does is allows you a maintenance-free roof. Got a lifetime warranty. So if you need an Invincible roof, come check out MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana.